How's it going, everyone? My name is Filippo Pezzino and I'm the photographer and video maker for Savage.
So today we will be learning how to use our transition pack in Premiere Pro. We're going to import that into our project bin, and we'll go into the transitions and select the transition we want to use. Then you just choose the one, drag it into your timeline. Simple as that, where you want the transition to be, and presto, we've got it. Now look how good that is. It's just amazing. If you want, okay, let's try another one. For example, this one looks good. Yeah, Light 7. Same thing, same process, bang, looks amazing. Now, if you want to apply multiple transitions throughout the video, for example, let's chop this timeline up. Let's see. Okay, we can do this. Just move some stuff around. It's as simple as that. You just have to repeat the process. Okay. Pick your various transitions you want to use. I don't know. I'm going to use these ones. And presto, we've got all our transitions. Transition number 1. Transition number 2. And finally, transition number 3. So yeah, simple as that. Hope this was useful. Have a good one.